I've been craving for your love, can't see nobody but us. So I see you from across the room, make my way over to you. I'm tripping over butterflies. Oh yeah, baby I don't really mean to rush, but I'ma really need your touch if I'ma make it through the night. I got the moonlight, tequila sunrise. Come and take a shot of me, I gotcha. I don't know how.
Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy, and this week in hardware we finished the shooter, the intake, the indexer, and 2 swerve modules. Now we need to work on the last 2 shooters, and I think we'll be ready for the scrimmage this weekend.
Hi, this week in software, we worked on modifying the shooter system to run different velocities for both the front and back belt. We also updated radios and tuned the MK5N, and lastly, we changed the button bindings for the controller. Thank you.
Hard to explain. I don't even know how to talk right now.